I got a hand hold. Y'all ready?
I got a hand on it.
Ready? 1, 2.
I'll push, you guys pull. It's huge. Look at that. It's like over 6 feet wide from tip to tip. I think once we pull one out, then we'll just be able to work our way like to everything that's connected to that one and kind of work our way around the pot. I'm guessing there's 80 plants in here.
80?
That's my guess. Well, maybe not that many. Some of them are so big, they take up so much room. This giant cluster of aloe plants belongs to a customer, and all he wants is this one. So all of these are coming out of the pot right now. Sawyer, the assistant, is gonna be helping me. I guess our plan is we're just gonna try to wiggle all these babies out of here and remove them from the giant one, and we might have to stabilize the giant one once the babies are out because they're probably propping it up. So I guess we'll get started. It's gonna stink.
Yay.
And there are gonna be a lot of broken leaves and sappy hands. Should probably wear gloves, but oh well. Oh, they're so tight in there. You got one? Oh, I broke that one. You're gonna hear that a lot. How'd you get that one out with all the roots?
I don't know.
I need like a shovel or something. Yeah, I'm just breaking them. Well, that one has technically a root. That's a good idea. Assistant Sawyer for the win. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Wow. Golly. Don't step on those. These will grow, right?
Should.
It's so packed.
Dense.
Very dense.
Dang, Connie, what you feed this thing?
I don't know what he feeds this thing. Probably some Smith's Garden Town fertilizer. Oh yeah. I can see dirt. I see fertilizer granules too. So gooey. What about this huge one? Should I go for it?
Oh, wow. Sounds insane. You may have to dig that one up.
Try to wiggle it a little. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Golly.
Oh, wow.
Goodness gracious. Golly. I mean, the little ones next to it are big. That thing is rooted.
Oh, it stinks.
Yeah, it does.
There you go.
It's like a fisherman. Good grief. That's just one of the babies.
Just pose with your fish here.
Oh man, that one didn't work out so well. I'm sure there will be plenty of people telling us how we're doing it wrong
I'm sure.
online. Just remember back to the beginning of the video when I said he doesn't care about any of these except for the big one. So we're gonna save what we can and repot what we can, but this is priority. I actually need to reposition it a little bit. I was gonna rotate it a little. Pump up the jam, pump it up. You know that song? Is
You need to sing it again so I can hear it.
pump up the jam. It's like the, what is it, Miami Sound Explosion or something?
Definitely
What's the name of the band?
90s. No idea.
Come
I'm
on.
the worst person when it comes to identifying bands and stuff like that. You know how bad I am with plant names? It's even worse with music, okay?
Protect the mother. This is a big one too. Maybe. Oh, it's so slimy and pokey. Golly. It's so slimy, I can't get a grip on it. That's what she said. If I could just get my hands around it. Come on.
Saw it. Michael, you're gonna
It's coming, it's coming.
Oh my god. Hold it up in front of you like a fish.
Ah, it's heavy. Are we done?
I think so.
I'm exhausted.
Murder.
I'm not breathing hard. You're breathing hard. Look at the size of the leaf that I accidentally broke off.
All right.
There's one more tiny baby. Okay, I'm gonna count, or we're gonna count how many babies were in here. Sawyer's gonna count what's on the counter over there. I'm gonna count all these on the floor over here. Those big ones, they should count as like 4 each, but I'm not gonna do that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. Ah! Whoa. I think I did. 21, 22. I have 22 or 23.
42.
42 plus 22, 64, and the big one. My first guess wasn't too bad. I thought 80,
I was guessing in 45-ish range, so about.
right in between us.
Yeah.
Sawyer was guessing like 45 to 50. I was guessing 80. We ended up with like 65, so. All right, fun. We'll pot this up, pot those up. Sawyer will pot those up. And Sawyer's gonna sweep everything. It's gonna be fun.
Okay, Tony, what you think?
I'll take this one off. Feels less stable after I did that. Oh, it stinks.
Yeah, it's not pleasant. It's all over our arms and stuff.
Uh-huh. Gross. My skin's probably gonna be so healthy though. Let's see how much goo is in here. Oh, it's so slippery. Oh, it's so bitter. You wanna try it?
Not really.
Oh, it's very bitter. Why did I do that?
That's disgusting. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's like chemical. Oh. Oh, it actually tastes like rubbing alcohol bitter.
It's nasty. I still think Fiddly Pig was worse.
Yeah, because that. Nope.
Water.